Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywet. If you are seeing my video for the first time, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to $4,000, even $5,000 weekly from Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yes, as you all know that affiliate marketing is all about selling products for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And there are many things that will determine or that can determine how successful you will be in affiliate marketing. One of it is that you need to have reliable traffic source, and you need to have a targeted traffic source where you can get customers for product. It can be targeted also, which means you are going to be getting customers or traffic that needs the product you are promoting or you want to sell. So in this video, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and has been doing very beautifully over the time now. With my software, you are going to be having access to more than 2,000 targeted traffic daily, which you'll be promoting to on Instagram. There are procedures and ways by which to go about it. So my video course will guide you step by step on how to use the software on Clickbank. Also, you can use the software on any affiliate marketing platform like JVZO, Plus, or any Shopify store, any affiliate marketing platform, or to promote anything you wish to promote. So to get my software and video course and start earning and getting beautiful results like this, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skywet07 on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or on Telegram on this number you can see on the screen. Yes, on my Gmail, text me on skywet07@gmail.com. On Telegram, text me through this number you can see on the screen to get a software and video course and start earning on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skywet and I train people now to make money online. Thank you.